Hi children, now let us look at, we learned about nouns, we are going to look at the noun, identify the noun, kind of noun. Is it you look at the noun and then you tell me, is it place, person, thing, animal? Okay, first you look at the picture and tell me what noun, then what kind of noun. Person means if you're a baby, then it's a person. If you see a cat, then you say that noun is a animal. Okay? Now it's a very enjoyable exercise. Let's identify the noun and tell what kind. Is it noun? Is it place, person, animal or thing? Shall we? It's very interesting. You're going to enjoy because full pictures. Good. Identify the noun in the picture. Good. Look what you have here. Who is this? Your favorite person at school. Good. What is good? Teacher. How do you know? She's a teacher. There's a blackboard and she's got a book in the hand. She's got a big smile. She's a teacher. So we write here teacher. Teacher is a noun. Spell out teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Teacher is a noun. Now identify. Teacher. Is it a person, place, animal, thing? Yes, very good. Teacher is a person. Good. So you write here person. You identify the noun, teacher, person. Okay? See how clever you are? Is it enjoyable? Is it interesting? Yes. Why do you like your teacher? Because you can learn a lot with her. She helps you. Yes? Good. And where do you find teacher? At school. Good. Shall we look at another picture and identify the noun and the kind? Good. Here we are. What is this? Car. Whose car? Your daddy's car. So you write here car. What is this? Car. Now what kind of noun that is? Animal, place, thing. What is it? A thing, yes. Car. What kind of noun? Thing. So your daddy has a lovely car and you identified this noun car and car is a thing. So we write here thing. Spell car. C-A-R car. You can have a blue car, black car, white car, whatever is your favorite color. Yes? Good. So your daddy's car is a thing. It's a noun. Good. Did you enjoy? Is it interesting? Shall we take another picture for you to identify the noun and the kind? Here we are. What place is this? Beach. Why do you like it so much? Because you enjoy yourself. Yes? Playing in the water with the sand. Yes? It's a beach. Spell beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Beach is a what kind of noun? Place. Very good. It's a place you go and enjoy. So you write here place. So beach is a noun. What kind of noun? Place. It's a place. Enjoyable place. You go with your brother, sister, cousins to play. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Are you enjoying the little exercise? Who is this? What picture is this? Yes, he's a doctor. How do you know he's a doctor? He's got a stethoscope, a smile and a file and a white coat. So you know he is a doctor. Now let's spell doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Doctor is what? It's a noun? Yes. Person. Very good. So doctor, noun is a person. Doctor is a person. What does he do to you? He helps you, keeps you comfortable when you are not well and gets you all right quickly. Yes? Now this is a picture of a doctor. Noun. What kind of noun? person. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's look at some more pictures. Look what you have here. What is this? You have one like this. You put it on, and when you go out to play, yes, t-shirt. Very good. This is the t-shirt you put on when you go out to play. Yes, good. The t-shirt. Now, what is t-shirt? What kind of noun? Good. Thing. Excellent. T-shirt is a thing. So, noun, t-shirt. What kind of noun? Thing. You are able to identify the noun and you are able to say whether it's place, person, thing. Very good. Are you enjoying it? Let's look at another picture. Look what you have here. What is this? The place you enjoy going to. Learn. Yes, what is that? This is your school. What place is this? School. Why do you like your school? Because at school you meet your friends, your teachers, you have good fun, you learn, and you become very smart little child. Spell school. S-C-H-O-O. School. What is school? What kind of noun? School is noun. What kind? Place. Very good. School is a place. A happy place that you will always remember. School is a noun and it's a place. Good. Let's look at another picture. Identify the noun and say what kind. Whoa, what is this? It is sharp instrument. What does mommy say? Don't touch it. Children should not touch it. What is it? Scissors. Who uses this? Mommy, yes. Scissors. Spell scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Scissors. It's a sharp instrument. Children should not touch it. Scissors is a noun. Now what kind of noun scissors? Good. Thing. It's a thing. Very good. You are able to identify the noun and you are able to say it's a thing. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what we have. Oh, lovely little baby sitting in a bathtub. Sitting in the tub and say, look at me. Who is this? Baby. Yeah. What is baby? It's a noun. Now, baby is a noun. What kind of noun? Good. Person. Little baby is a person. Good. So we write here baby, person. So we identify baby and you wrote here baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby is a noun. What kind? Person. Yes. Very good. Are you enjoying? Shall we go on to another new picture? Look what we have here. What is this? A colorful place. And you go there to buy vegetables, fruits, groceries, meat, fish, anything that mommy wants. What is this? Market. Good. Spell market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market is a place where mommy goes to get things. Vegetables and fruits, all the eatables, bakery, anything you can get at the market. Now, market is what here? A place, a market. Now, market, mommy goes to the market to get all kinds of things for the kitchen for you to eat. Spell market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. A very colorful place with fruits and vegetables. Now, what is market? Noun. What kind? It's a place. It's a place. Now spell market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. The picture of a market. This is a word. Market. It's a place. It's a noun and it's a place. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what you have here. You've seen this in Mommy's kitchen? Yes, a mixer jar. What is it? Mixer jar. It's a noun. Mixer is a noun. Spelled mixer. M-I-X-E-R. Mixer. What does Mommy put into the mixer jar? She makes juice for you. Yes, she makes all kinds of things for you. Yes, mixer. It's a noun. What kind of noun? Yes, very good. It's a thing. It's a thing in the house. Good. So, mixer is a noun. And what kind? It's a thing. You can name. It's a name of a thing. Very good. So, you identified mixer as a noun. What kind? It's a thing. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what you have here. A little boy. What is a boy? Boy is a noun. So we write it here. Boy. Smiling away because he got lovely things to eat. Vegetables and noodles, and he's got some juice. So boy is a noun. Boy is a noun. Spell boy. B-O-Y. Boy. So we write it here, boy. Now, what kind of noun? Person. Very good. Boy is a person. Yes. So we write it here, person. You identify the noun boy. You wrote it here, B-O-Y. And what kind? He is a person. Good. Did you enjoy? Shall we look at another picture for you to identify the noun? Yes, here we are. Look. What kind? What do you see here? Lots of flowers. In front, at the side of your house, you have a lot of flowers. What do you call that? Garden. Good. Spell garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. What is a garden? Noun. What is it? It's a place. Very good. Garden. A noun. What kind of noun? Place. Place. So we write it here. Place. Look at the colorful garden. Look at the colors. Purple and white and pink and red. All flowers are growing in the beautiful garden. Garden is a noun, is a place. Yes, very good. Shall we look at another picture for you to identify the noun and say its kind? Look carefully. What kind of place is this? You go there to buy things. It's a mall. Yes. What do you get over there? You can play games. You can buy things. You can eat. You can play about. You can go shopping. You can buy toys. So a place where you go from one shop to the other, looking at lovely things. Buy or don't buy, but you enjoy yourself going about. That's called a mall. It's a very big place. Mall. And you meet friends and you enjoy yourself. Mall. Now, mall is a noun. What kind of noun? What noun? Place. Yes, mall is a place. You love to go to the mall. Yes, because the place is big and you can go about and do all kinds there. Playing, eating, enjoying. Mall. It's a place. A lovely place. Good. Shall we look at another picture? And for you to identify the noun over there? What picture is this? Jug. Yes, it's a lovely red and white jug. Now, what is a jug? Noun. What kind of noun you say? It's a thing. Very good. Jug is a thing that you find in Mommy's kitchen. Yes? You find this jug in Mommy's kitchen? Yes, jug is a noun, it's a thing. Did you enjoy yourself doing the exercise? Good.